everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to do this Galentine's Day manicure using tools from Japonesque. So you're going to need the Pro Performance nail clipper, Pro Performance cuticle nipper, Velvet Touch nail tool, and Pro Performance point tweezer. Once you trim and shape your nails with the nail clipper, you're going to want to push back your cuticles with the Velvet Touch nail tool. Make sure your cuticles are nice and hydrated with some oil before this. Then you can take the cuticle nipper and trim off any excess hangnails. Now all of your nail prep is complete and you just need to remove any excess oils with an alcohol prep pad. Apply your favorite base coat to protect your natural nail and then add 2 coats of a sheer pink polish. For the next step, I recommend doing this either the night before or a few hours before you start painting your nails. You'll need a small sandwich bag, a red nail polish of your choice, and a dotting tool. Use your dotting tool to create a heart shape by making 2 dots and then connecting them to a point. Once that is time to dry, you can cover it with a coat of clear nail polish or top coat. If you use a quick dry top coat, it'll dry a lot faster and you won't need to wait as long. Apply a thin coat of clear nail polish or top coat to the center of your nail and immediately use the Pro Performance point tweezer to pick up the DIY nail decal you just made. Place the decal in the center of your nail and gently push it into the polish. Then seal your mani with a quick drying top coat and you're done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have a chance to try out these awesome essential tools from Japonesque. The tweezer was definitely my favorite tool because it was so easy to pick up the decal and I desperately needed a new one. Thanks for watching!